Hello everyone, this is our second lecture of the limit. Now we are solving the illustration number 3. Illustration number 3. In earlier lecture we have solved the illustration number 1 and 2. In today's lecture we are solving the illustration number 1. Find the value of limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. So what is given? Limit x tends to 0, x square plus 2x plus 5 upon x square plus 3x plus 1. Before the solving it, we have to know there is a factorization is there or not. So we can factorize its equation or function or not. So let's start. 5, here it's nothing, so we can assume here it's 1. So 5 ones are 5. There is no factor of the 5, right? In the similar way, here it's 1, 1 ones are 1. There is also not a factorization of 1. So numerator and denominator both cannot be factorized in further. So we directly put the value of x as a 0. Right? So we are putting the value of x is equals to 0. So 0 square plus 2 0 plus 5. Right? Upon 0 square plus 3 0 plus 1. 0 square or multiply with the 2 all become 0. So we only get 5 divided by 1. 5 divided by 1. There is no value of a denominator in 1. So directly answer is 5. The value of that function limit is 5. Understood? Right? Now let's solve the illustration number 4. Illustration number 4. Obtain limit x tends to 4, x square minus 3x minus 4 upon x square minus 2x minus 8. Before starting anything, let's check the factorization is needed or not, right? So 4, here is nothing, so it's 1, 4 ones are 4. There is a factor can be applicable of the 4, 2 2s are 4 can be done, right? And here 8 ones are 8. Here it's also factorization is possible, right? So first we are factorizing of the numerator. So numerator x square minus 3x minus 4. I hope you all know the basic factorization of the polynomials. That is a polynomial function or a quadratic polynomial function, right? So it's covered in your 9th and 10th standard. I hope you all understand that how to factorize this element. Still I am explaining. 4 ones are 4, right? We have to factor of the 4 so that we get a 3 by deducting that out of factors, right? So if we do 2 2s are 4, so 2 minus 2 will become 0, but here we needed a 3. So basic factor of the 4 is 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So we are needed 3, so it came 3, right? In this way we are solving it. So x square minus, here is a 4 minus 1, so we get a minus 3x. So here the 4 will be minus and 1 will be plus, right? So minus plus x minus 4x minus 4, right? Out of this we take a common of the x so x plus 1. Here we take a minus 4, so it will come x plus 1. The factorization of is x plus 1 and x minus 4. Right? Now let's the factorization of the denominator. X square minus 2x minus 8. 8 ones are 8. We have to factorize 8 in such a way after deducting we get 2. Right? So basic factor of the 8 is 4 2s are 8. 4 minus 2 we get 2. Right? Here is 2x is a minus. So 4 will be minus, 2 will be plus. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Right? Let's take a common x minus 4. Here we take a common 2. So x minus 4. X plus 2, x minus 4. Right? We have solve the both numerator and denominator. Now let's put the solution of the factorization in our limit function. So limit x tends to 4, x square minus 3x minus 4 upon x square minus 2x minus 8. So limit x tends to 4. What is the factorization of x square minus 3x minus 4? We get x minus 4, x plus 1. Right? And for the denominator we get answer x minus 4 and x plus 2. Right? X minus 4, x minus 4 cut. After cancellation of the one element, you have to put the value of x as a 0. So we get limit x tends to 4, x plus 1, x plus 2. Right? Now we are putting x is equals to 4. So 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2. We get 5 by 6. Right? Now we are solving the illustration number 5. What is the question? Limit x tends to 0, x cube plus 3x square minus 8x upon 5x cube minus 4x. Right? Now let's solve the numerator. So numerator is equals to x cube plus 3x square minus 8x. Here each element has a x, so we can common the x. So x square plus 3x minus 8. Right? In denominator 5x cube minus 4x. Here in the both the element x is there, so we common the x, so 5x square minus 4. Right? So let's put it into in this format. So limit x tends to 0. For the numerator, answer will come x square plus 3x minus 8 upon x minus 5x square minus 4. When you cut x will become cut. So when you cut any element in the denominator and numerator, after that you have to put the value of x is equals to 0. Right? So now we are putting limit x tends to 0, x square plus 3x minus 8 upon 5x square minus 4. So we are putting x is equals to 0. So 0 square plus 3 0 minus 8 upon 5 0 square minus 4. Answer will come a minus 8 upon minus 4. 4 2s are 8. Answer is plus 2. Right? Now let's solve the illustration number 6. Limit x tends to minus 1 x cube plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now we have to factorize x cube plus 1. So let's factorize the numerator. Numerator is x cube plus 1. So here which factorization is applicable? For the cubic factorization. Cubic factorization, a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. Right? When a cube and b cube is there, you have to factorize in a such a way. So a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Right? So here a cube is there, b cube is also needed, but one cube always, any square cube of the one, answer will come 1. Right? So in this manner we are factorizing the numerator. Right? So this will become our a and this will become our b. So x cube plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 a square. So x square minus ab, x into 1. So only x plus 1 square always be 1. So answer of the x cube plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 x square minus x plus 1. Right? Now for the denominator is equals to x square minus 1. For the x square minus 1, the factorization term will be applicable like that. A square minus b square, answer will be a plus b and a minus b. You should know all the rules of the factorization. Then and only then you can solve the function or limit. Right? In the limit chapter there are various factorization come into this chapter. So you should remember all the basic factorization. Right? So in this way we are solving x square minus 1. So what will be the answer? Answer will be x minus 1 and x plus 1 for the x square minus 1. Right? Let's put into our limit function. So limit x tends to minus 1 x cube plus 1 x square minus 1. What will be the answer of x cube plus 1? Limit x tends to minus 1 x plus 1 x square minus x plus 1 upon x plus 1 x minus 1. Right? The one element is cut. Denominator and numerator are same, so it will be automatically cut. After the cancelling of the element of the numerator and denominator, then you have to put the value of x. Value of x is minus 1. So let's put in this. So limit x tends to minus 1 x plus 1 upon x minus 1. While we are putting x is equals to minus 1, up to that you have to write this thing, limit x tends to minus 1. Whenever you are putting the value of x, we will not write here. So we directly write x is equals to minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1 upon minus 1, right? Minus 1 square always come plus 1. Minus plus 1 upon minus plus, but sign will be minus. So 1 2, but it will become minus 2. 1 plus 1 plus 2, sorry, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 by minus 2. Answer will be minus 3 by 2. Understood? Now we are solving the illustration number 7. What is the question? Limit x tends to minus 1 by 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 upon 2x square minus x minus 1. Right? Now let's factorization numerator and denominator. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Right? For this denominator, 2 ones are 2. 2 we have to, here it's a minus sign. So 2 minus 1, it will 1. Here it's a plus sign. After plus adding the 2 element, we get a 3. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 ones are 2. But here sign is minus. So 2 minus 1, 1. Right? The factorization is applicable over there. So let's factorize. First is numerator 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. Here 2x will be common. 2x, x plus 1 plus 1, x plus 1. So 2x plus 1, x plus 1. The factorization of numerator came 2x plus 1 and x plus 1. For the denominator, x square minus x minus 1. So factorization will be 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So here it's a minus, we get 2x as a minus. So 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1. Right? Here same 2x common, x minus 1 plus 1. 2x, sorry, x minus 1. So 2x plus 1 and x minus 1. We get both the numerator and denominator factorization. Let's put into the limit function. So limit x tends to minus 1 by 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 upon 2x square minus x minus 1. So, what is the numerator factorization? 2x plus 1, x plus 1. For the denominator, 2x plus 1, x minus 1. Numerator, denominator, same element as cut. After the cancelling the elements of the denominator and numerator, we are putting the value of limit. Limit x tends to minus 1 by 2. Limit x tends to minus 1 by 2. X plus 1, x minus 1. Let's put x is equals to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Hope you have known the solution of this function. So how we can be solve? So minus 1 by 2 plus 1. For adding or subtracting any element, we need to denominator will be same. Or a basic logic is when 1 is deducted from the half, then we get half, right? Or in the other way we can write like this also, 2 by 2. So 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Sorry, plus. Same. So 1 by 2. Numerator will come 1 by 2. Again we solve the denominator, minus 1 by 2 plus 1. For the same in the denominator we have here 2. So on the numerator we have to multiply with the 2. So minus 1 plus 2 upon 2. Sorry, here it's a minus is there. So it will become minus plus 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Sign is minus. So it will become minus 3 by 2. Denominator came into the numerator. So we can solve like this. 1 by 2 into minus 3. 2 by 3. 2 will cut. We get the answer minus 1 by 3. Right? Hope you understand the solution of this functions, right? Bye bye.